Hey, welcome to Interlaken, and for the next 3 days, we're going to take you on a little tour in and around this beautiful town. But we want you to stay in tune with us as we travel around Switzerland. We'll wake up to every day. Look at that. One of the things that I always try to do is, no matter where we go, I always like to try to get out early in the morning. I want to be able to see things, before all the crowds get out there. So let's go check out Interlaken. I mean, this is, just a few hundred yards off the main road. I mean, just look at this. This is absolutely spectacular. You can go down this little, I'm going to walk down here in a little bit today, but right across there, you got sort of a little bike path and walking path. So, all right, so let's begin our walk along the Aare. I don't know if I pronounced it right. It's spelled A-A-R-E. Just love the reflection, that you get to see on the water and the mountains. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. One of the things you'll notice walking around town or around any type of path, you're going to see things like this all over the place. Gives you pictures of the history of what it used to be like to what it is today. Gives you a little bit of a history lesson of the area, or at least part of that area where these banners are. So look for these, stop and check it out and learn a little bit something. And obviously you see these everywhere here. So if you want to get a drink of water, fresh water, I mean, this is it. Wow. So this is really the main street here that you can walk along. Lots of different stores and restaurants, cafes, things like that. As you come down the main road, like I said, there's all kinds of little stores, cafes, restaurants, things like that, small little bars where you can go enjoy a drink outside. But what's really kind of strange to me, what I saw here, is this place across the street. Really? Hooters here? I don't know, man. Seems a little out of place for me. This is the field where all the paragliders land at. Now, this place was a really cool little hangout. Definitely a lot of the locals come here. All right, so we left Interlaken, get on the train, and we're heading up to Lauterbrunnen, and we're going to do Staubbach Falls today. So this is our first little stop. We did that. We're going to walk around. We may do the gondola going up the mountain, do a couple other things. So this is our adventure, day 2. So the bummer is coming to Staubbach Falls is that you used to be able to go up there, and you can go up to this point up here. But now it's closed for whatever reasons. All right, so in Lauterbrunnen, what we did is we took the gondola up, and then we took a tram up to Murren, and so we're just going to walk around here. I mean, the weather is just beautiful. I mean, look behind me. I mean, you see the snow on the ground, but man, it's really warm up here. Hey, baby girl. A church on top of the hill here in Murren. Oh. So we were going to do the gondola all the way up to, I want to say, Schlithorn? I probably butchered that name. But, it was another $100 just to do that round trip, just to walk around the panoramic view. And, we're going to do other things, but if you want to do it, no. And that was with the half pass that we have. So got a lot of money to get up there. Now walking up here in this little town of Murren, right now we are in April, and I'm going to say 85% of the things are closed. Restaurants, stores, shops, all that are closed down because it's not ski season. So it's a nice walk, but nothing's really open up here. I'm thirsty, fill her up. So tonight we're going to take this gondola up to go to Klum. We're going to have dinner. We're going to catch the sunset. So that's the next stop. All right, so we're going to end our day here in Interlaken here at Klum. We got a really good seat. There's not a lot left when you're coming up here for the sunset. So come up here, enjoy the moment. We're going to have a little dinner and enjoy this. How epic is that? Fondu's, and then that's called what?
Rosti.
Rosti?
Rosti.
Rosti. And this is what?
Raclette.
Raclette. Oh, that's right. That's one of the things we wanted. Yeah.
That's right.
Oh, look at that. That's bubbling. That looks like lava. Lava cheese. The downside of coming up here is that the last gondola leaves at 8:10, and that's really not at the end of sunset. So that's kind of a bummer, but we enjoyed it. Great time with family. So tomorrow, day 3, and then we're off to Zermatt. All right, so we are getting ready to head off here. I'm going to do my very first paragliding. I've never done this before. Here's my...
So we are on the Grindelwald gondola, yeah, and it's a 25-minute ride.
You don't know.
And it's really hot.
Wait,
too.
you don't know if you like it because you haven't.
Okay, so we're on the Fierce Walk. Cody and Shannon, wave at me. And like there is just, it goes straight down over the side there. Oh, Shannon. We're doing the cliff first walk, I think is what it's called. We came to the top of Grindelwald, and we just, oh, look at the bird. Where'd it go? Oh, that's so far down. Thank you.
All right, so we're currently doing the little boat ride on Lake Brienze. There's some stops you can't go to just due to the water level. The boats can't get up to the dock. So we got about an hour and a half so boat ride. We're going to enjoy our cruise on Lake Brienze, day 3. All right, pull up your pants. Pull up your pants to get them wet.
No,
there you go.
I'm done.
Right.
No, hold on. Is it cold?
That's freezing.
All right, Donovan, tell me, was it cold?
Yeah.
All right, that was our time in Interlaken. I hope you enjoyed it. We had 3 epic days here. We're off to Zermatt tomorrow. Don't forget, subscribe to our channel. And as always, keep dreaming and travel safe. Look at that, huh?